Are your students having trouble with sight words? Are they bored with learning from flashcards and want some excitement in the classroom? Luckily for you, I have the perfect game. This game is rooted in the Ohio Department of Education English Language Arts standards. As teachers, we want our kindergartners to know and apply grade-level phonics and word analysis skills in decoding words. We want them to be able to read common high-frequency words by sight and also be able to distinguish between similarly spelled words by identifying the sounds of the letters that differ. So for this game, you'll need 1 6-sided dice, 8 star spots, 9 wild cards, and 24 sight word spots. So this is how you play What is the Difference? First, you roll the dice and move the amount of spaces that are shown on the dice. Then you'll tell what is the same and what is different about the 2 words on the space. If you get the differences or similarities wrong, you must move back 1 space, but you do not have to answer for that space. If you land on a spot with a star, you must draw a wild card and do what it says. Finally, you'll move to the next student in line and return to step 1 until all students have completed the game. So here is what the game might look like. First, Mallory will take a dice and roll it. She will move the amount of spaces that corresponds with the number on the dice. She will read the words go and no on the space and point out what is similar and different for the given high-frequency words. Next turn, Mallory lands on the spot with a star. She will draw a wild card, and she will roll the dice again and moves to her next spot. Next turn, Mallory lands on a spot with this and that. Unfortunately, she gets the differences wrong, so she moves back a space and waits for her next turn. Have fun playing this game in the classroom while you work on sight words and also telling the similarities and differences.